What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. My name is Jeff, and today we're going to be talking about my 2017 Audi R8. This is my 2017 Audi R8 V10 Plus, finished in beautiful Aura blue. Let's get into what makes this specific R8 a little bit more special. It is equipped with a twin turbo kit from none other than Sheepey Race. It is a stage 1 kit, and this car makes 755.2 horsepower to the wheels. And for all you CHPs that are watching this, it's completely stock, 100% stock. The beauty of this twin turbo kit is just by looking at the engine, it looks completely stock. But if we come down here and we take a look right inside, we got two little turbos in there. We've got two turbos that give this car 755 horsepower to the rear wheels. And you can check out those numbers on my previous video about when I took this car to Sheepey Race, threw it up on their dyno. If you want to check out that video, go ahead and click the card right here and give that video a watch. With those twin turbo spooling, we got to keep those air intake temperatures low. So let's head to the front of the car where we've got an ice box in the front trunk. So this is the ice box. And one little trick to get more horsepower out of this car is to add ice to the ice box, because that will also help bring down those air intake temperatures. And of course, we all know the lower the air intake temperatures, the more horsepower we get. The V10 Plus also comes stock with carbon ceramic brakes, which you're definitely going to need if you want to take this car to the track. The interior of this R8 is finished in rotor gray, but one of my favorite things is all the carbon fiber that you can find throughout this interior. We've got it right here in the center. We've also got it surrounding the dash right here, and then we got it also in little random places around the door. But my least favorite feature of all on this whole entire car is the seats. These are the OEM Recaro bucket style seats, and let me tell you, they are bucket style. They are so uncomfortable. There's no way to adjust the back. It's literally fixed in this one position. So you can either manually slide it forwards and backwards, or you can electronically raise it up or down if you're short or if you're tall, and that's it. I love how when you're driving an R8, you have the option to drive this car in either comfort mode by pressing this button. It's drive select. So what happens when you put the car into comfort mode is it relaxes everything about the car. The steering's a little bit lighter and the engine shifts a lot earlier, so you're not holding those revs really high, and it makes it very easy for daily driving. But if you really want to start getting crazy with the car, all we have to do is put the car into dynamic mode, and that's really going to start opening up this car. But if you really want to get crazy, all you have to do is press this little button right here, and this button puts the car into race mode. When you're in race mode, it removes the stability control, and you can only shift the gears with the paddle shifters. All right, and there you have it, guys. We're gonna be wrapping up this video. I hope you enjoyed today's installment of the 30 videos in 30 days. Please stay tuned, because I know this was just a teaser video about the R8. We're gonna take the R8 out, we're gonna do launch control, we're gonna check 0 to 60 times, we're gonna check 60 to 130 times, and that video is gonna be a ton of fun. But in the meantime, we're done. This video has come to an end. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Maybe